Now you know I'm a deliver. And there's words to the mother and the brother. Okay, all right, listen. Dollar Tree got some treats, some goodies that's gonna move your feet. Check them out. Okay, honey, you seen these? Okay, this is the LA Colors Purdy. Honey, Purdy cat. Get into it. Ain't nothing but to do it. I like these colors. These are really, really cool. Honey, they have a few. Let's check them out. So Dollar Tree definitely said, listen, we in a place to be. Okay? And, you know, they said Dina is on a mic like the fabulous MC. Dollar Tree said that. Okay. Look at this. Looky, cookie. Absolutely love these colors. Really, really nice. Now, this is unfur. Honey, get it. You see this? Unforgettable. You can't make this up. All right. And then they also have Meow-nificent. Child, honey, I'm telling you, for real. Child, check them out. Okay. This is so cute. This is adorable. I absolutely love the colors. Now, they also have I Got My Cat Eye on You. Hey, you guys remember that episode with Martin? And what was the guy name who used to play in the Wayne Brothers as Pops? And he was in the episode with Martin, and he had a patch on his eye, and somebody was saying like something about the eye. I think that was the same guy. I think, but that episode was funny. Anyway, so Dollar Tree has different ones. Whisker White, Perfect Black. They also have, honey, Chaloki Brown. Don't give me the lion now. They also have Gimme a Kitty Kiss. Child, look at this. Give Me a Kitty Kiss Orange. And then they also have the Blueberry. Really, really cute. Now, this is scented lip gloss. Honey, I absolutely love this. Now, Dollar Tree is now carrying a Glow Up Revitalizing Serum. Before they was just carrying a Glow Up, but honey, I guess they seen that thing was a hit. Now they have the Glow Up Renewing Serum, $1.25 with the avocado. They also have the pomegranate, and then they also have the Strawberry Glow Up Smoothing Serum, $1.25 as well. This is so cute. And you guys, if you didn't know, this is actually a dupe from like Sephora had the Glow Up, and that glow up was like $30. You can come to Dollar Tree and get this for $1.25. I don't know about the next one. That is a steal deal. Peace, family. Peace. Okay, so today we are at the Dollar Tree on 49th Street in West New York, okay? And I think I have a feeling that they have some treats that's going to have us absolutely moving our feet. But first message, okay? Let me tell you, I want you to start seeing yourself with money. Okay, I want you to start seeing yourself with money. All right, lately what I've been doing, I've been listening to Budget Mom, who talks about finances and how to budget and stuff like that. Because I know a lot of times, you know, we want to buy this, we want to buy that, we want to buy that. But I think it's very, very responsible for us to be able to budget our money. And it's not me telling you what to do, boo. Okay, I ain't in your business. All right, but a great book to get, Richest Man in Babylon. Now, let's go inside. Now, I know some of you guys like, Dina, that don't make sense. You telling us, right? But let's go inside, okay? I said you can treat yourself and not cheat yourself. What you think? Let's go. Now, we have seen these the other day. All right, the kids' bath buddies. These are $1.25. Absolutely love these. Honey, these are so fancy, pantsy-mancy. Body wash and bubble bath 2-in-1 they also have the bathtub finger paint soap, lilac purple, and then also the sky blue. Now, when it comes to the finger paint, I don't do the finger paint because, honey, I'm like, listen, you guys gonna have to get that up off the wall, all right? And my children, they act like they got it off, and then I go back in the bathroom and I see some spots on there, so no. But this, however, I absolutely love this. Body wash, bubble bath, peaches, and sweet vanilla, and these are $1.25, and they look so gorgeous. Now, Dollar Tree also have the bath bombs for the children. These are $1.25. They have Bluey, they have Marble, Spider, Amazing Friends. Really, really cool. And then they also have some more of the kids' bath bubbles. This is the hand wash raspberry banana smoothie. And then they also have this. This is the slime. Really nice. And then they also have some fizzers, which are $1.25. Honey, if your children have a bathroom, this is really, really cool. Honey, a whole collection. And it's not a whole lot. This is really, really good. So I'm going to just go ahead and get one of these. If you're a person, you love having your nails did, child, come to Dollar Tree. Sinful Colors. This is the Pro Nail Art Manicure set. You get, let me see, 24 nails for $1.25. They also have the LA Colors over here, 12 pieces, glue not included, but Dollar Tree definitely has some glue. And this is the glue. I have used this glue. This glue is pretty good. Okay. They also have some nail wraps over here. You get 12 pieces for $1.25. So if you're a person, you're like, I don't want to put that glue on my nails, honey, your nails still could be did, right? Because they have these nail wraps. That's $1.25. They also have these nails over here. There's 24 nails for $1.25. Now, I did have the 14K effect. Okay, anything go, I tell you guys, I absolutely love it. Now, you get 30 nails for $1.25. That was a steal deal like Holyfield. I also had this color as well. $1.25, the neon nail set. Lately, I've been giving my nails a break. Okay, they also have the Sinful Color Claws. Now, I was going to get this last time. This is the Pro Nail Art Manicure. You get 24 nails for $1.25. Adhesive tabs. Now, when they have the adhesive tabs, I really don't, just go with the adhesive tabs because to me, it doesn't last. The nail don't stay on. They also have the LA Colors gel nails on 13 gel like shine. Now, this is a good time. Okay, 13. So they have the glue inside. Now I don't know nothing about that glue, okay, because I done tried Dollar Tree nails, and with the glue, honey, the glue was not true. All right, so they have these two colors, and then they also have the green and some more LA Color nail sets, 12. And then they also have this. Oh, this looks kind of new. All right, and this is 24 nails for $1.25. Now, Dollar Tree also have the nail clipper over here. This is $1.25. Now, I told you guys last time, this is actually a dupe from Kiss. They come in different colors. They have the purple, the green, the orange, and then they also have the black. Some other items that Dollar Tree definitely has in a place to be, they have the 6-piece headbands. This is $1.25. And then they also have the Heritage, okay, 50 feet braid rope, which is $1.25 as well. When I tell you Dollar Tree has been doing it with the hair accessories, honey, they definitely are not playing. They have these elastics. I like these. These are cute to me because they have their gold in here. They also have some claw clips. There's $1.25 as well, honey. Brushes, combs, whatever you name, Dollar Tree is doing the thing, okay? Really, really cool. Some more items that Dollar Tree definitely has is these 6 plastic spring fling. These are $1.25. These Easter themed plates. I like to say these Easter themed plates, but technically I want to say this is just spring plates because it do say spring fling, okay? These colors are absolutely gorgeous. I love them. They come in different colors. They have the purple. They also have the green. They also have the blue. Honey, they doing the thing, okay? They also have these floral plates. Now, these plates, these are paper plates, 14 for $1.25. Honey, Dollar Tree is keeping it alive, right? They are doing the thing like a chicken wing. And then they also have these plates. Now, I had seen these plates before, the 14 paper plates. The ones that I absolutely really, really like is these plastic ones. These are cute to me. I absolutely love those. All right, family, when I tell you this thing right here smells good, oh my goodness, it smells so, so good. You may want to get your hands on this. This smells delightful. All right, so I'll catch you guys on the next one. Keep rocking out, believing in yourselves, keep going, keep growing. and glowing. Until next time, peace.